Hello people, today I will show you how sea beast spawning and hunting actually works, unlike other YouTubers that just tell tips and tricks. So let's get started. This is self-explanatory, but you need to get a boat. I recommend a fast and one with more health, and it needs to be in the sea and not in an island. As you can see from this picture, I have highlighted which is islands and which is sea. I will show you a better and easier way how to locate sea lull. When you enter sea, it will show on your top of your screen sea. That is the indicator that you are in sea. Probably everyone knows this, so I will not continue talking about this. So first, I will clear up myths. Then I will talk about how to spawn more of them. There are many sea beast spawning myths like turn off hockey for more chance, turn off instinct for more chance, night has lesser chance of sea beast spawning. But no, this is false information, so please don't believe it. Now getting to the tricks on how to spawn more sea beast, first you need to know how the sea beast spawn is working. Look at your ship and think of an imaginary circle that is one ship, Warmertwogger one sea beast. That is why people bring more people to sea beast. But that does not happen if someone is too close to each other. The circles overlap. If the circles overlap, it's the same chance, not 2 times. If they cover more area, there is more chance of sea beast. Trust me, I tried it with my friends and it worked a lot of times. So don't bring your friends too close to you. Tell them to have at least 2 boats distance. Now to the next question. Which sea is better for sea beast hunting? I say the 3rd sea because there is the rumbling event which spawns 3 sea beast. At one time, it is very good for grinding money. But the disadvantages is that there is no rare drop from sea beast in 3rd sea only money, which is a lot, like the Fist of Darkness that is dropped by the 2nd sea beast, but the 2nd sea beast does not have the rumbling event. So now since that is cleared up, we can talk about what fruit and what race you should use. For fruit, use Magma Awaken, because it has the highest tick and normal damage, and almost all attacks damage the sea beast. The best race for sea beast hunting has to be Shark version 3 or version 4 because it completely removes damage taken from water, and the version 3 and version 4 ability is also good for reducing damage. And I think that was it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section.